testimony that if Mr. Museveni can issue such directives to the whole Archbishop, how about a Mayor Baguma, who sits at the criminal division of the High Court there? I want to repeat this. The Archbishop, who has got his own territory ordained by God, can be invaded by General Museveni. How about this territory where Baguma takes an oath before Museveni? We know that courts are on his instructions, courts are on his directives, they dance to his tunes. But not one thing, that we told you we went before the General Court Martial, not to get justice before the former presiding officer of the General Court Martial, Freeman Mugabe. Even as we speak today, the General Court Martial has been reconstituted under the leadership of Tukachungurwa, Brigadier General Tukachungurwa. We know there is no justice there. But once you are dragged there, you have no choice. You've got to appear, you've got to defend yourself. Our role before that court is to mount pressure on Justice Baguma and the team to administer justice in accordance with the law. And that's what we have always been doing. That they took oath to uphold the law, they took oath to adjudicate cases in consonance, in line with the Constitution and in line with other laws. So that is our command, our role, our duty once we appear before court. And we have promised you, tomorrow, it's likely to be a different case. Tomorrow. Because it's the day Justice Baguma has set down for commencement of the hearing. And we are not about to discuss what we are going to handle before Justice Baguma tomorrow, but we are equally prepared. It's the reason we visited Dr. BESIGYE today, to put ourselves in that position where we are going to take on the bull by the horns. So we are prepared for a showdown tomorrow. And we invite Ugandans not to just watch as if it's a movie. They should know it's about the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, it's about civil liberties, it's about their lives. It's not about Dr. BESIGYE alone, it's about the lives of all Ugandans. And it's the reason we are going to be there to keep the fire burning. And count on us. We are really prepared for a showdown come tomorrow.
I want to take opportunity to tell you